When your tongue becomes white, don't ignore it. It is a sign that bacteria, dead cells, and food debris are built up on your tongue, or even that your digestion needs attention. And the last one is something everyone should be doing. The good news is that in most cases, you can naturally reduce this white coating using just 4 simple daily habits. So, in the next few minutes today, I will explain why your tongue becomes white, the 4 most effective natural treatments, the best Ayurvedic herb that supports oral health, and when the white tongue should never be ignored. Understand this, our tongue is covered with thousands of tiny projections called papillae. Throughout the day, dead cells, microbes, food particles, and mucus become trapped between these papillae. When this buildup increases, the tongue develops a white appearance. There are also other root causes such as poor oral hygiene, dehydration, mouth breathing, digestive weakness, unhealthy eating habits, certain medication, and fungal infection. Most white-coated tongue improves once you remove the root cause instead of merely cleaning the surface. Let's see the 4 most effective natural steps. Step 1. Daily tongue cleaning. Every morning before brushing your teeth, gently scrape your tongue using a copper or stainless steel tongue scraper. Begin at the back and slowly scrape towards the tip 5 to 7 times. Rinse the scraper after every stroke. This simple habit removes the bacteria, dead cells, and overnight deposit. It also improves taste sensation and reduces bad breath. Avoid scraping too forcefully as the tongue is delicate. After this, just brush your teeth. Step 2. Hydrate your mouth. Begin your day with 1 or 2 glasses of warm water and continue drinking sufficient water throughout the day. See, a well-hydrated mouth produces healthy saliva, which naturally controls harmful bacteria. Step 3. Oil pulling. Take 1 tablespoon of sesame oil or coconut oil and gently squish it around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes before spitting it out. Afterwards, rinse your mouth with warm water. Alternatively, there is another beautiful practice called as Gandush. For this, simply fill your mouth completely with water. Swish it for a few minutes and then spit it out. These practices nourish the oral tissues, improve salivation, and support healthy gums. Now, before going to step 4, let me tell you some wonderful herbal remedy. One of the best remedy is Triphala. Take 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder and boil it in a cup of water. When it cools down, use it as a mouth rinse. Modern research has also shown that Triphala mouth rinse reduces plaque and oral bacteria. Neem is another valuable herb which has natural antimicrobial property. And here in India, we have traditionally used neem twig called datun as a natural toothbrush since ancient times. Then there is clove, which contains natural compound called eugenol, which is excellent for your oral health. You can chew a clove or use clove water for rinsing your mouth. Many people ask me about betel leaves. Yes, these leaves also have antimicrobial property. Chew a clean, tender betel leaf after your meals or use an infusion as a digestive aid. Step 4. Improve your digestion. This is actually very important step and a long-term solution. Eat freshly prepared, well-balanced vegetarian meals that are easy to digest. Always chew your food thoroughly and eat slowly. Ayurveda advises eating only when the previous meal has been properly digested. Constant snacking overloads your digestion and causes Add digestive spices like ginger, cumin, coriander, fennel, and turmeric to your meal. One traditional digestive drink is coriander, cumin, fennel water, which you can add to your routine. Boil 1 teaspoon each of coriander seeds, cumin seed, fennel seeds in 3 to 4 cups of water until it reduces slightly. Strain and sip this warm throughout the day if it suits your constitution. And now let me tell you an important thing. Improve your nasal breathing by learning and practicing pranayama. If you frequently breathe through your mouth because of nasal congestion, allergies, or snoring, your tongue becomes very dry overnight. That is not good. Another thing, if the white coating lasts longer, more than 2 to 3 weeks, despite good oral hygiene, or if thick white patches cannot be scraped off, if there is pain, bleeding, bad breath, or mouth ulcers, then it is better to seek expert advice. You can also come here to the Yoga Institute Santa Cruz on Saturday afternoon for Samatvam if you want free guidance from our experts and doctors and yoga therapists. So, for a simple white coated tongue caused by poor oral hygiene or dehydration, the 4 most effective steps are daily tongue cleaning and maintaining oral hygiene, drinking enough water, oil pulling or Gandush, and improving digestion. In the end, I would like to leave you with one more thought. Tongue performs 2 important functions. It helps us digest food and it expresses our thoughts through speech. Both should remain pure. Just as we choose clean, nourishing food for tongue, we should also choose kind, truthful, gentle words. A clean tongue is not only free of coating, it is also free of harsh speech. When we care for both what enters through the tongue and what leaves through it, we naturally become healthy. Namaskar.